Hi guys, today we're making chicken momos, and for that we'll need some all-purpose flour, we'll add some salt and water, and then we'll make a perfectly kneaded but soft dough for the momos. Then for the filling we'll have some minced chicken, some cut onion, some cut spring onion, and then we'll add some salt, some black pepper, some Ajinomoto, but this is optional, and soya sauce. And lastly, we'll add some melted butter and mix the filling well to make a perfectly tasty chicken momo filling. Then we'll divide the dough into smaller parts. Make small puris or sheets out of the divided parts of the dough and fill it with the chicken filling. And then give it a perfect momo shape as per your convenience. And then we'll steam the momos and our momos are ready.